I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Delta Airlines employee account. So for those people who do not know Delta Airlines is an international airlines company. So it's a pretty big international airlines company whose headquarters is in America. So this is like a short description of it, and if you're a worker or employee of Delta Airlines, you can watch the video in order to log in into your Delta Airlines employee login. After you search for it, you need to click on sign in Delta login. It's going to take you to ssaa.delta.com, which is the official website of Delta Airlines. Now once you're over here, you just need to enter your PPR or your Delta login info. So I don't know what PPR is. If you're a worker of Delta, then you might know what PPR is. So enter that, and then you need to enter the password of your account over here. After you enter the password of your account, just click on sign in, and if the information entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your account. But if it is incorrect, it's going to show you this thing over here, just like in my screen, alright? And if you guys are having trouble logging into your account, you can click on trouble signing in, and it's going to take you to the page where you guys can reset your password. But for that, you need to have some information like your Delta login or PPR and your validation, and then it's going to help you recover your password at the third step, alright?